Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Half Puff Boo. This video is going to be an unboxing video of Neorah's Wanderlust journal. This journal is available on Amazon as well as on their website. The packaging is super amazing and it got delivered within 2 days. Let's cut it open. We have a thank you note that comes with every purchase you make, along with a card that tells us about their journey as a brand. You can see the journal is wrapped in a beautiful paper with their brand logo printed on it. I got this journal in the dark green color and there are multiple colors available. You can check them out. I'll share the link in the description below. You can also use the code HPB5 to get 5% discount on their products. The brand logo is engraved in the front as well as at the back of the journal. There are two cute bookmarks. One is in orange, which symbolizes their brand's color, and the other one is of the same color as that of the journal. I absolutely love this band that wraps up the journal and keeps it intact. It's fun to use. Wow, there are a lot of pages in here. There are a total of 240 pages, each of which is of 125 GSM. And it makes it suitable for almost all types of mediums like gel pens, ball pens, brush pens, light watercolors, etc. The pages are so smooth and soft. You can use this journal for absolutely everything, be it for traveling or collecting memories, or for doodling, sketching, painting, etc. You can use this journal however you like, and this makes it multifunctional. It has a warm tone. I am absolutely in love with this journal. You can check out their products from their website link. I'll put the link in the description for you guys to check out. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you liked the content, if you liked the video, and share it with others as well. Thank you.